Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Google account. So once you're inside your Google account, click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click on manage your Google account. Now on the left hand side, click on your personal info, scroll down guys, and you'll find a section that says general preference for web, and here you have the language, so you can click on that. Mine is currently set to the English United States, and here you can add another language as well. But if you want to change the current one, just simply click on the pencil icon towards the right hand side and just go ahead and find the language of your choice and select it, right? So let's say I want to choose, I don't know, let's type in Czech, CZ, select that, then click on save, and you will see immediately it changes everything to that language, right? So that's it. That's all you have to do. Now let me go ahead and put this back in English. So I'm going to sample type in English and choose English here. And you can go ahead and you can choose English from which country. So in this case, I need to find, for example, United States, and just click and apply. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.